On this video today, I'm going to show you a traffic source that gets up to 1.8 billion visits a month. If you watch this tutorial till the end, you can be making up to $438 per day using the traffic source that I'm about to show you. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this traffic source. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digistore24, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join ClickBank or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are going to be using Digistore24. So once you create your accounts and log in on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to find a lot of different digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. So let me scroll down for you to see. As I scroll down, you can see right here they have digital products that you can promote, events and seminars that you can promote, physical data medium that you can promote, services, physical products. Any of the categories that you want, you can click on it so that you can find a product to promote on Digistore24. You can see a whole lot of them. Digistore24, they have changed their interface. That is why you are seeing this. In the past, it used not to look like this, but they have changed everything. That is why you are seeing this. I have not changed anything. It is the platform that have changed it. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a category of products that you want to promote. If you want to promote digital products, just click on it and you can see subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see under business and investment, they have about 70 products that you can select and then promote. Computer and internet, they have about 26 products that you can select and promote. Dance and music, they have 6 products. Dating, love and relationships, they have about 27 products that you can select and then promote. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote. If you don't want the digital products, you can click on the physical products and then select any physical product that you want. You can see under supplements, they have about 121 products that you can promote. Skincare, they have 7 products that you can promote. So there are a lot of different digital products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to filter the products. We want to filter them so that we can get products that we can easily make a sale when we promote them. To filter the products, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see currently it is under popularity. What you have to do is that you have to select cart conversion. The cart conversion is about the percentage of people who click on the link of the product and then make a purchase. So we are going to sort the products by that so that we can get to know the products that we can easily make a sale when we promote them. So click right here, cart conversion. Once you click on cart conversion, you can see the products are sorted. This is the first product and you can see the commission rate is $48.59. The cart conversion is 39%. You can see it right here. What it means is that when 100 people click on your link, about 39% of those people can buy the product for you to earn money. If 1,000 people click on your link, about 39% of those people can go ahead and then buy the product for you to make money. If you scroll down, there are many that you can promote. You can see the next one, the cart conversion rate is 29%. There are many others. So all these products that you are seeing, the cart conversion is very high, which means if you promote any of these products, you can easily make a sale. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting the first one, this product. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, a page is going to open like this. Once the page opens, you can click on it and then get your affiliate link, or you can click on the sales page so that you can get to know more information about the product. If you also want resources that you want to use to promote the product, you can click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can get resources that you can use to promote the product. This is the commission rate. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to look at the sales page of the product so that we can get some basic information about it. So click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the sales page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they click on the buy now button. So what you have to do is that you have to watch the video so that you can get some basic information about the product before you promote it. Just click on the play button so that the video will play for you to listen and understand what the product is about. Once you get to know what the product is about, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote it, you are going to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied to your clipboard. So if you want, you can test it on a new tab. So let me paste it for you to see. You can see this is the landing page of the product. Now once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is linkedin.com. LinkedIn is a social media platform that you can create an account for free and then use the platform to market your products. You can also use it to build your brand. You can search for jobs using LinkedIn. But in this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use LinkedIn for affiliate marketing. So you have to create an account so that you can use it to get people to buy the products that you are promoting, so that you can earn affiliate commission after every sale that you get. To sign up for an account, just click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, if you don't have an account, click on join now. Once you click on it, you have to enter your email address, enter your password, then click on agree and join. Once you click on that, you can create your free account. If you don't want that, you can also create an account by linking it to your Google account. Once you link it, you are going to get access to a free account. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is LinkedIn. There are a lot of different things that you can do on LinkedIn, but I'm going to go straight to the point and then show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing on LinkedIn. What you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see media, event, write article. If you want to upload a photo onto LinkedIn, you are going to click on media. If you want to schedule an event, you are going to click on event. If you want to write an article and then post it onto the platform, you are going to click on write article. In this case, we are going to write an article, so click on it, write article. Once you click on write article, the next step is that you are going to paste the title of your article, the body of your article, and then upload an image. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be writing an article about the product that we are promoting. As you can see on Digistore24, the product is about brain training. It is about how to train your brain to attract money. So we are going to be writing an article about that so that we can get people to click on our affiliate link and then buy the product. To write the article, you are going to be using ChatGPT. So you can type a prompt here. Once you type a prompt, ChatGPT can write a full article for you so that you can use it to promote your affiliate link. You can write a prompt like this. Write an article about 4 brainwave tips to attract money. So just like this. Once you have your prompt, just click on send so that it can write a full article for you. You can see it is writing the article. You can see this is the introduction. You can see the body of the article. It is writing the article. Within a matter of minutes, it will write everything for you. You can see ChatGPT has finished writing the article. You can see everything. You can see this is the article that you can use to promote your affiliate link. So you can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy the title of the article and then paste it on LinkedIn. So highlight and copy the title of the article. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. This is the title of the article. The next step is that you have to copy and paste the body of the article here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, copy the body of the article. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on LinkedIn and then paste everything here. As you can see, that has been done. This is the article. You can see everything in the article. The next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link in this article so that when people are reading it, they can click on your affiliate link and then buy the product for you to make money. When you come back on the landing page of the product, you can see this 7-second brainwave ritual attracts money to you. So you can write a call to action like this in any part of the article. So just come back on LinkedIn. Once you come back, you can insert your call to action in any part of the article. In this case, I'm going to insert my call to action right after the introduction. So you can put your pointer right here and then type your call to action. As you can see, this is my call to action. Discover this 7-second brainwave ritual that attracts money to you. This is my call to action. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you're going to insert your affiliate link into it. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, it has been copied to your clipboard. Once that is done, you're going to come back on LinkedIn, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see link. Click on link. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click on apply. Once you click on apply, you can see your affiliate link has been inserted in your call to action. The next step is that you are going to highlight and copy your call to action so that you can paste it in other parts of the article. So just highlight. Once you highlight, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to scroll down. Any part of the article that you want, you can insert it. In this case, I'm going to insert it right here. So paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to paste it at the bottom of the article. So paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you insert your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to upload an image. You want to upload an image related to the article that you are going to publish so that your article will appear nice. To get an image, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google. Once you are on Google, search for brain. Once you search for brain, click on images. Once that is done, you can see a lot of different brain images that you can use. In this case, I'm going to use this image. So what you have to do is that you have to put your pointer on it. Once that is done, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as. Once you save the image, you are going to click on upload from computer. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. As you can see, it is uploading. You can see this is the image. Now once that is done, the next step is that you are going to publish your article so that you can get people on LinkedIn to read your article. So click right here, next. Once you click on next, you can see tell your network what your article is about and add hashtags to help people find it. So you're going to add some hashtags so that your article can be discovered by other people. So you're going to type something like hashtag brain. So you can see brain, click on it. Once that is done, you are going to add hashtag money. Type that. You can say money mindset. So click on it. You can see these are my hashtags. If you want, you can add more. It depends on what you like. So just add as many as you want. Once you have your hashtags, the next step is that you are going to publish the article. So click on publish. Once you click on it, you can see congrats on publishing your latest article. So your article has been published onto the platform. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, wherever you want, you can share it. Now the article is live on the platform. You are going to be getting free traffic to your affiliate link without paying for anything. And the best part is that 31% of the traffic is coming from United States. You can see India, United Kingdom, Brazil, Canada. Most of these countries, you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. So make sure you publish a lot of different articles onto the platform, select different products, write an article about it, publish it onto the platform so that you can get people to buy the product without you investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.